Guys, for today's video, I'll be sharing, or I am happy to share about these latest changes kay SeaBank. Previously, gumawa ako ng video about SeaBank, yung 10 reason why you should be using SeaBank or 10 reason why it is good to use SeaBank. So, if you want to know that, check nyo na lang tong video na to. Nasa link na rin yan sa description box. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron na akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, so ano bang meron ngayon kay SeaBank? So apparently, dalawa yung latest update natin with SeaBank. And medyo ikatutuwa natin to. I'm sure ikatutuwa nyo rin to kasi ito yung unang-unang update nila. Sabi niya, update, 4.5% interest per annum on balances up to 400,000 pesos. We're increasing your earning potential starting July 17. Enjoy 4.5% interest rate per annum on balances up to 400,000 pesos. Any amount in excess of 400,000 will earn 3% per annum interest rate and withholding tax still apply. So ito yung isa sa bagong update ni SeaBank. So coming from 350,000, tinaasan na nila yung limit ng 4.5%. Ang ibig sabihin lang nito, yung in excess ng 350,000 mo na 50,000, mag-earn pa ng interest rate na 4.5% instead of 3%. So, pero magkano ba yung 50,000 worth na interest? So, kung i-calculate natin yan, so 50,000 times 0.045, that's 2,250 per year, divided by 365 days, that's an additional 6 pesos gross interest. Pero kung net interest naman, times 0.8 natin yan. So, around 4.9 or around 5 pesos na additional. So, sa 400,000 times 0.045, 18,000 per year, divided by 365 days, times 0.8, basically 39 pesos and 45 cents yung kikitain ng 400,000 mo with SeaBank. Ayan. So, kahit pa paano, it is a good use kasi wala naman tayong kailangang gawin. And if yung pera mo is 400,000, edi mas nadagdagan pa ng interest, di ba? So, that's one. Pangalawa is available na yung debit card across many people. And isa ako sa nakakuha ng debit card ni SeaBank.
It says more light required.
To show you how it is done, so open nyo lang yung SeaBank account nyo, tapos click nyo yung cards, ayan, tapos nakalagay dyan, get your physical card. So click nyo yan, tapos sabi, ito daw yung physical card benefits. Cashback on in-store payment, enjoy up to 1,000 cashback monthly on all your purchases. Pero that's 0.3% pag ginagamit mo yung SeaBank card mo. And then transact anywhere, pay contactless in any store where MasterCard is accepted locally and overseas, o diba? And track your rewards. So, yun nga lang, merong 150 pesos na bayad para dun sa card. Ang kinagandaan nito, yung delivery is free. So, click natin yung apply now. Ayan. Tapos, ayan, kailangan nyo i-select yung name of the card kung tama. Make sure na tama. Tapos, yung delivery details, yung address nyo kung saan nyo ipapa-deliver. Ayan. So, pwede naman kayo mag-add ng different address. Ayan. Ayan. Pag na-add nyo na yung address, click nyo yung next. Tapos, lalabas yung confirmation. Tapos, yung fee. Tapos, ibabawas dun sa available balance ng SeaBank nyo. And then, you just need to click confirm. After that, lalabas na yung PIN. Enter nyo yung PIN nyo. Ayan. So, sabi dyan, ayan. Physical card order received. Ayan. Order successful. In-order ko siya ng July 8. And, ayan. Dumating siya ngayon as of time of this recording, July 13. So, click done. Basically, yan kung paano i-order. And, as of today, dumating na siya via Ninja Van, which is ito. So, buksan ko sa harapan nyo ngayon. So, first time ko lang din makikita kung ano yung laman nitong SeaBank na debit card. So, basically, ito lang yung laman niya. Ayan, sabi, SeaBank Rural Bank. Ayan, so sabi, say hello to your SeaBank debit card. So, tap card on homepage, tap activate, and scan QR code. Or manually enter the activation code. Ayan. So, basically, ito yung card. Ayan. Tinatakpan ko, nandiyan yung pangalan ko. Walang number. Wala nakalagay na number. Tapos, sa likod, parang wala ding number. Hindi ko sigurado. May mga nakasulat, pero feeling ko hindi siya yung CVV. So, basically, walang number. Pangalan lang, and then NFC. Medyo okay yung card. Ayan. For enhanced security, your card details may only be viewed in the SeaBank app. Okay. So, wala dito yung card number, wala yung expiry date, at saka wala yung CVV. So, nandun lang sa app. So, basically, kung ano yung sabi ko kanina, enjoy cashback, keep track of all your spend in one place, zero bank markup fees on your overseas spend, and pay contactless in anywhere MasterCard is locally accepted. So, basically, yun lang naman. Okay, ngayon, let's try to activate. So, punta tayo sa ating SeaBank account. Login tayo. Ayan, click natin yung cards. Then, click activate now. So, nakalagay dito, once you receive your physical card, follow the steps on the mailer to activate it by scanning the QR. So, pwedeng enter manually or scan QR. Scan QR na lang tayo. So, kailangan talaga yung papel. I-scan na lang natin. Ayan. So, na-scan na natin siya. Secure PIN. For enhanced security, please enter your secure PIN. Yan. Your physical card has been activated July 13 and is now ready for use. Shop in store and earn cashback on each purchases. If unauthorized or need further assistance, please call the customer service. Ayan. Card activation successful. Congratulations! Your physical card is now ready to use. Reminder, your 6-digit secure PIN is your default card PIN. So, yun pala yung card PIN. Basically, yung mobile PIN mo with SeaBank. So, merong view details. So, nandito yung card usage control. Ayan, kung saan mo siya pwedeng gamitin. Local transaction, sa ATMs ba, sa POS, etc. Update card daily limit. Sa online e-payment ba, kung magkano, up to 50,000. Kung sa withdrawal, ito nakapiso lang. So, pwede mo siyang i-update if you want to set the limit ng withdrawal mo. Pwede naman. Ito, view card fees. Ito yung pinaka-importante dito. Okay, for local ATM cash withdrawal, it's 15 pesos. International is 250. Local ATM balance inquiry is 5 pesos. And international ATM balance inquiry is 50 pesos. Kung payment naman, wala naman bayad for local merchant. Wala ring foreign currency markup. And meron lang daw siyang dynamic currency conversion fee. So basically kung ito gagamitin mo sa Netflix, Apple, etc. That's 1.2%. Virtual card issuance is free. Physical card issuance is 150. And kung may dispute or chargeback, service fee is 250. So, eto daw, as of July 2024, you can withdraw at the following banks: BDO, China Bank, and China Bank Savings, East West, and BPI. ATMs beside or inside BPI branches. Hindi ko sure, talaga bang doon lang? Yan, so basically yan. Actually, meron akong debit cashback reward kasi ginamit ko siya pang bayad sa Philippine Airlines. Bumili ako ng extra baggage yung nasa Baguio. So, nagkaroon ng cashback na 2 pesos. Hindi na masama, di ba? So, basically, yan yung unpacking natin ng SeaBank ATM card. Yan. In the following days, gagamitin ko to sa mga merchants. Tingnan natin kung magkakaroon ba ng problema, and silipin din natin yung cashback kung mabilis ba natin makuha yung mga cashback. Okay. So, yun lang muna for today's video. Sana nadagdagan ang kaalaman nyo about SeaBank and the benefits na makuha natin sa kanya. And with the recent changes nga nung update sa limit and sa pag-order ng physical card. For our question of the day, gaano kadalas kayo gumagamit ng debit card or ATM card sa mga store merchants natin? Ano sa tingin niyo yung advantage nung paggamit ng ATM card versus sa cash? Let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayo manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lang muna for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at Cleo Polinar 5497. Sabi niya, baka po Sir Pat, kunin ka nilang ng online ambassador. Gagamitin niya platform mo, Sir Pat. Cleo Polinar 5497, shoutout po sa inyo at maraming salamat sa panonood at pagsuporta ng aking mga videos. Thank you so much. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me. Be subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto, and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!